Hello, everybody. Good morning. Welcome to the Tellor Dev Call. Today is March 31st, 2025. And the last week, we've been doing a lot of manual tests for our new testnet, which is going to resemble mainnet a little bit more. And yeah, so we're almost at the point where we can open it up to the public. We will be doing that later on this week, and we will announce it right before we know that we're going to be doing it. Yeah, so with that, Spuddy, how about the manual test coming along? And yeah.
Great. As far as I can tell, everything works. We haven't tried every different combination of dispute yet. Like that's about the only manual check that I haven't done, which is like I'll try each kind of dispute. I only did an invalid warning dispute, but it worked fine, and everything else works. So it's going great. I made a Python script that gets me the status of all of the bridge requests. So I'm excited about that too.
Awesome. Caleb, I know the chain has been running for at least a week now. How's that going?
Well, it's going well. I'm learning. I guess you could say I'm disaster prepping. I'm working through how we would need to fork anybody out or like do anything either socially or non-socially if something bad were to happen. So just taking notes, trying to make sure that we're prepared for absolutely anything that happens.
Yeah, Brian.
Yeah, just working on, I'm actually going to work on a front-end monitor for the scripts that Spuddy was mentioning about the bridge transactions. And then also getting ready the current bridge page, not only with some new functionality with the staking and delegating, but getting it ready for the new testnet as well.
Okay. Tim, any updates on the bridge?
Well, I just have I'm writing a few ADRs on data bridging and on some of the decisions we made on the token bridge. And also we're in the middle of transitioning the Sepolia side for layer. And so yeah, just we're in the middle of that, and I monitor it, just make sure it's continuing to be in the right state. And then we've been kind of testing how long it takes to relay data, bridge data over to Sepolia. But I'm continuing with that using tipping and relaying to get that's the best measure of how fast layer can get data to our users. Yeah.
Awesome. Dan?
So we've got benchmarks for all of our begin blockers and end blockers now, and they all look good. Yeah, and then I'm going through a couple reporting and selecting ADRs.
Awesome. Nick?
Yeah, not much on my end. Gonna have some new stuff for you guys. If you guys saw, we posted a Tellor security article last week. Ryan, thanks for posting that one. That one's good. I just kind of updated it for what did Tellor security look like for users of an old Tellor and now going to layer. Or some of the security assumptions you can make about using it. Deep dive into blockchain security stuff, which was good. And then I did a deep dive last week with Tim Clancy, who Spuddy introduced me to. And by the way, he's former Remilia, has a big Milady presence. I've gotten more likes on that post from posting it and like the Milady community. So like just huge shout out to them. Like it was like, yeah, usually like I feel like you get ignored on Twitter, but like they all like rallied around him as soon as anything was posted. So it was really cool to see.
Other members.
Yeah, but if you guys see any other deep dives you want me to do, let me know, because that one was good.
Awesome. And Tim, we're expecting to also be publishing user examples write-up, right?
Yes, yeah. Hoping to get some feedback on it from you guys first.
Awesome. We'll expect that from us soon, guys. And with that, Ryan, did we get any questions?
Yes, got a couple questions. Number one, when is Tellor Layer going live?
Well, Q3, Q4, we obviously want to make sure that everything is as safe as possible for everybody to join the network. And everything that we're doing right now is just prepping for it, making sure that we test everything and making sure that everything looks good. We won't rush it, and because we want to make sure that we provide a quality product. But yeah, that's basically our goal at this point.
All right. And then are we hiring for the developer position specifically? Someone asked.
Not at the moment, I think. Yeah. We're going to be in a transition going forward. Once we're done kind of building the chain and we launch it, it's going to be less building out a Cosmos chain and more helping users integrate. What's the best data we can provide. So kind of the person that once we start building out on that thing, then we're going to need kind of a different kind of employee and different kind of team, and hopefully a community that goes with it. So,
yeah. Well, yes. And then you guys will also have a little bit of different responsibilities, but not a completely different team. Putting that out there. But yeah, no, not at this moment. We try and be very, very transparent when we do hire. But until we're done with what we're doing right now, we're just gonna wait. So yeah.
That's it.
All right, well then we'll see you guys next week, and look out for the announcement of opening up this testnet for you to try. It is closer to production or to mainnet, so you will not be getting as many tokens, test tokens, as you did in the past. So make sure to save some also for gas, so some for staking, some for gas, and you're not going to get as many tokens as before because it's going to be closer to production. So keep that in mind. All right, see you guys next week.